Heading out from National Harbor. This epic ride to, for most, going to California. I should have went the other way. Yes. Here we go. I'll ride this pony. Yep, come on. I'm good. Yeah, taking this ride across the Wilson Bridge. Have Butu in front of me here. And we get ready to hit the Virginia, head on down to our first meetup spot there in Chantilly, Virginia. Meet up with the rest of the riders to Cali and to Kansas City. Yes, sir. Yes, and everything I'm saying to you is going to go on to recording while the camera is running. Yes, this is our first state. How about that? First Cali riders and Kansas City riders, our first state coming into Virginia. Man, we done already left the state. Yes, 1 down, 11 to go, she says. Why don't you move on over? Go ahead, yeah. One state down. I think she's excited. Here we go. All right. No problem.